सदाकत का, अदालत का, शुजाअत का लिया जाएगा तुझसे काम, दुनिया की अमानत का। Good morning everyone, my respected teachers and my fellows. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to speak over the importance of education. Proper and good education is very important for all of us. It is the process of the achieving knowledge, values, skills, belief and moral habits. Education is very necessary for each everyone. We have improved knowledge, social and economic state throughout the life. Education marks between human and animals. Get education for not for earning money. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर। हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर। सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ, सदियां गुजर गई, दुनिया तेरी बदल दे वो सजदा तलाश कर, वो सजदा तलाश कर।